Hi, let's look at this normal curve. Okay, pardon me for the way I've drawn the curve. It's not well drawn, okay, but just for some explanation. Now look at this. The line here corresponds to the 7.5, and this corresponds to the 10, and this is for 12.5, and this is for 15, and this is for 17.5, this is for 20, and this is for 22.5. Now, the first question says, find the mean of the normal curve. The particular one that divides the curve into two equal halves, two equal parts, is the mean. So the mean of the normal curve is 15. So the answer for this is C. Okay, the answer for this is what? Is C. The mean is 15. This is not a standard normal curve. This is just a normal curve. For a standard normal curve, the mean will be equal to 0. It will be converted to 0. Okay, but this is just a normal curve, not a standard normal curve. So if they ask you that what curve is this, it is a normal curve. Okay, don't forget that. Now 2 says find a standard deviation of the normal curve. To get a standard deviation, what is the difference between the 15 and 17.5? The difference is what? 2.5. That is 17.5 minus 15. If you test it for the one at the back of the mean too, 15 minus 12.5 will also give you 2.5. So that is the standard deviation. Okay, that's the standard deviation. You realize that same thing runs throughout. Here and here too is 2.5. Here too is 2.5. So the standard deviation is 2.5. So the answer is B. Then C says, if a random variable x follows a normal curve, find P probability that x is less than 20. To get a probability that x is less than 20, are you with me? You first find z, you compute z, and the formula for z says that z is equal to x minus mu divided by standard deviation divided by standard deviation. Now in this, your x will be 20. So when you substitute 20 for it, you say 20, pardon me, kindly do that for me, okay? I'm not using the right machine right now. 20 minus the mean. What was the mean that you got? You said your mean was 15, isn't it? So 20 minus 15 divided by, what was the standard deviation? Was it not 2.5? So you say 2.5. So calculate that on your and see 20 minus 15 is what? 5, right? Divided by 2.5. When you do that, what do you get? You get what? You get 2, right? So meaning your z is 2 now. And what this means is that you should find the area less than 2. And area less than 2 means area to the left of 2. So to do that, you quickly go to your z table. Now when you go to your z table, you are looking for 2, right? 2.0. So you come 2.0, 2.0, as you can see. Now this is 2.0, right? 2.00. It gives you 0.9772, isn't it? 0.9772, this place. 0.9772, isn't it? So if it is 0.9772, that is area less than 20. That is area less than 2, isn't it? So your answer for this is D. You are finding the area to the left. So 9772. The answer is D. Then let's go to question 4. Question 4 says, if the random variable x follows a normal curve, find the probability that x is greater than 12. To get a probability that x is greater than 12, you need to find z first, So z is equal to, now your x is 12, right? So the formula says x minus mean. So 12 minus, what's the mean? The mean is 15, right? So minus 15. Pardon me for my handwriting. I'm not using the right machine right now. Okay. So divided by 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. So 12 minus 15 gives you what? Negative what? Negative 3, right? And negative 3 divided by 15 gives you, divided by 2.5 gives you what? Negative 1.2, right? So it means that you should check area greater than negative 1.2. Area greater than negative 1.2. So to get greater than, it means area to the right, isn't it? But before then, you go to the z table. You check negative 1.2. Negative 1.2. So this is negative 1.2 here, right? When you check it, what do you get? 0.1151, isn't it? This 0.1151 means area to the left of negative 1.2. Okay, it means area to the left, but you want area to the right, which is the greater than side. So to get it, you say 1 minus 0.1151. Okay, you say 1 minus 0.1151. When you do that, you get 0.8849. You get 0.8849. That is area greater than. So 0.8849. So the answer for this is B. Okay, so take your calculator and also try it. Then question 5 says, if the random variable x follows a normal curve, find P probability of 10 less than x less than 20. This means that find the area between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20. That's the meaning. So first of all, you need to convert 10 to z. Okay, you convert the value, the score 10 to z. So to convert 10 to z, z will be, let's say z1. Okay, will be, it will be, what's 10? What's, we say we are taking 10, right? So 10 minus, what's the mean? The mean is 15 divided by 2.5. 2.5. Okay, 2.5. So 10 minus 15 gives you what? Negative 5. Divided by 2.5 gives you what? The answer will be negative 2. Negative 2. Okay. Then you also find z2, the second z, because it's 2 scores. They've given you 2 scores to find the area between them. To find the second z, I think that's what we did over here. 20 minus 15 divided by 2.5, you get positive 2. Now what this means is that you should go to your z table, find the area to the left of negative 2 and also find the area to the left of positive 2, and you find the difference. So let's check it. Negative 2. Negative 2 gives us 0.0228. So please write it down. 0.0228. Okay, 0.0228. Is that it? 0.0228. Now, you also go to the positive z table. You check for positive 2. It gives you what? 0.9772, isn't it? So you find the difference. So that would be 0.9772 minus 0.0228. Okay, so when you do that, what do you get? 9772. You get 0.9544. So let's check it. So 0.9544. So the answer is C. Okay, the answer is C. So that is the end of this for now. Okay, now please, the fact that you get your answer and your answer is a possible answer does not always mean that you are right. Okay, make sure you check if you've not made any mistake. Okay, make sure you check if you've not made any mistake before you proceed. So thank you for watching.